Welcome to JP's Famous Cooking Show. Today I'm teaching you how to make chocolate chip cookies. We got a request from Miss Fritz. So first, let's go. To start, you have to make 10 tablespoons of brown butter. You melt it till it smells nutty. Brown sugar, vanilla, salt, sugar. So let's go. Just stir till combined and then whisk in your eggs. Combine, let sit for 3 minutes. Then whisk for 30 seconds. Now you stir in your flour and baking soda until combined. Next, you scrape the sides of the bowl. Then you stir in your chocolate chips. Pour them all in. Can I save one for me? Just stirring the chocolate chips is kind of hard part. Oh, this is hard. This is like last time I tried. So after it's combined, you let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. You're going to scoop out 6 large cookies. Yeah. Okay, buddy, you're coming with me. That's 3, 4, 3. Bake at 375 for 10 minutes. This recipe makes 16 large cookies. Mmm. 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 Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye. It's good.